Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about AutoLeap tutorial for beginners. So first, what is AutoLeap? AutoLeap is a powerful auto repair shop management software. Whether you're a shop owner, service advisor, or technician. Now, first, log in into AutoLeap. Visit autoleap.com and click on the sign in to get an account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which shows recent activity, upcoming appointments, and any pending jobs. Now, on adding a new customer and vehicle, go to the Customers tab on the left sidebar. Click Add Customer, enter their name, phone number, and email. Once saved, click Add Vehicle. Fill in the vehicle details, then save everything. This info will autofill in future jobs. Now, on creating an estimate, this is a big part of your daily workflow. So here's how to build one. Go to the Jobs tab and click New Job. Select the customer and vehicle, then click Estimate. Add services, labors, and parts. Use predefined count jobs for common services like brake repairs or oil changes. Add labor and parts pricing. Once done, the total is calculated with taxes and you can save it, print it, or text it or email it to the customer for review. Now on customer approval. Customers can approve estimates via email or text message. As soon as they approve, you'll get a notification. Now you can convert it to a work order and begin the job. This makes the approval process faster and keeps everything documented digitally. On scheduling jobs, use this calendar tab to manage daily operations. Drag jobs into available time slots. Assign a technician, black out time for walk-ins, appointments, or inspections. You can view the calendar by day, week, or tech, helping you plan and avoid overbooking. On performing digital inspections, digital vehicle inspections or DVIs are a game changer. Here's how. Open a job and click Digital Inspection. Use checklist templates like brakes, engine, and tires. Now take photos or videos directly from your phone or tablet. Mark it as good, fair, or needs attention. Add notes or recommendations. Now on converting to invoice and payments. Once the work is completed, convert the job to an invoice. Review everything with the customer. Accept payment via cash, credit card, custom payment methods. Email or print the final invoice. All payment records are stored for easy tracking and reporting. Now on managing communication. AutoLeaps let you send text, emails directly from the job, set up automated reminders, and keep all customer communication in one place. These help boost customer satisfaction and retention. Now for the reports and analytics, head over to Reports section to track sales, profit margins, technician performance, parts versus labor revenue, and customer conversion rates. You can export this to Excel or PDF, helping you make informed business decisions. And lastly, with AutoLeap, your shop will run smoother, faster, and more profitable. Start by adding customers and vehicles, creating your first estimate, scheduling and completing jobs, exploring inspections and reports. Also, it has a mobile access. AutoLeap is mobile optimized. Use it on your phone or tablet from anywhere. Technicians can clock in or out update jobs, take photos, and complete inspections easily from the bay. And that's basically it.